In this video, we'll demonstrate the straightforward process of turning off Shuffle Play on Spotify. Before we delve into the steps, I invite you to hit that like button if you're eager to master this feature. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback shapes the content we deliver. Now, let's jump into this helpful guide. To turn off Shuffle Play on Spotify, follow these simple steps. Open the Spotify application on your mobile device. Once on the homepage, either search for any song or navigate to your library and play a track from the artist of your choice. As the song begins playing, you'll notice an icon next to the heart emoji turning green. This is the shuffle icon. To disable Shuffle Play, tap on the shuffle icon depicted by two arrows. The icon will turn white, indicating that Shuffle Play is now turned off. With Shuffle Play turned off, your songs will play in the order they appear in the playlist or album. That's it. You've successfully turned off Spotify Shuffle Play. I hope this guide was clear and informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your engagement inspires us to create more content like this. For more tutorials and helpful tips, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Until next time, peace.